Sketchable Plus is a Windows application that is built for the Snapdragon platform. My name is Miles Harris, and I'm the developer of Sketchable Plus. Silicon Benders is a company that specializes in creative software for the Windows platform. I, along with my brother, Ryan Harris, are the two developers behind this application. Our target user base for Sketchable Plus are artists, architects, and designers building software that people use in their daily lives to help pay the bills. Like, Sketchable is a fulfilling experience. The Microsoft Surface team approached us to make a Windows on ARM package. We obviously jumped at that invitation. We built Sketchable Plus for the Windows on Snapdragon platform because it is the future of computing. Hardware features like Instant On and all-day battery life can turn Sketchable into a digital, portable drawing studio. Boot up time is a fraction of what it would be on traditional computing platforms. All-day battery life provides a way for our users to use Sketchable on the go. We were one of the first applications to have a native ARM64 package on the Microsoft Store, and that was a big selling point. By using Sketchable Plus and Qualcomm's hardware, it creates a modern application, one that is touch first, friendly first, and boots up instantly. No more waiting on loading screens, no more wondering whether your computer is going to log in or not. It does instantly. Recompiling Sketchable for Windows on ARM was a simple and straightforward process. Our original application, Sketchable, was a UWP app with few dependencies. Sketchable Plus is a Windows App SDK WinUI 3 application, so to compile, all we had to do was target ARM64 and press build. Sketchable Plus takes advantage of hardware features like GPU-accelerated image processing, and it does this through the power of DirectX. DirectX powers our painting and drawing engine. It also allows us to have high frame rate animations of 120 Hz for a more realistic drawing experience. We have plans to add AI features. We're in the experimental stage right now and looking forward to sharing new features in the not so distant future. My suggestion to developers who want to build an ARM64 package would be get a Windows Dev Kit. The Windows Dev Kit is a small ARM computer. It uses Snapdragon's latest silicon, and also they have worked in tandem with Microsoft to develop Visual Studio, an ARM version of their compiler. Now developers can use these software and this hardware in tandem to have a first-class development environment.